Shocking cases of abuse of power have come to light, one by the police and the other by a politician. In Jodhpur, a man was beaten mercilessly because he dared to get into an argument with the friend of a policeman. And in Bhopal, a priest, and that to a woman, was insulted by former Chief Minister and a current minister in the Shivraj Singh Chauhan cabinet, Babulal Gaur, because she dared to stop him from entering the temple. Let's focus first on Aslam, who was standing at a bus stand in Jodhpur looking to go to work when he got into an argument with a stranger. Little did he know that it would turn out to be the worst decision he would have made, for the stranger happened to be a friend of a policeman. The stranger called his friend in the police, and what followed was shocking. Two plainclothes police officers arrived and brutalized Aslam. One of them attacked him with a lathi, and once he fell to the ground, the other policeman started kicking him. Then Aslam found his head pinned to the ground with the policeman's boot as lathis continued to rain down on him, and there was no respite even when he passed out, because the policeman ensured that he was revived by pouring buckets of water on him and then beating him again and again after he regained consciousness. The torture did not end there, because the cops realized that the brutality had been recorded. They slapped false charges on Aslam, but the court thankfully ensured that justice was done and Aslam was given bail.
सर मैं आया था मेरी नानी और मेरे मामू से मैं मिलने के लिए मांडे के अंदर। मैं बस स्टैंड के ऊपर जैसे मैं उतरा और एक आदमी से मेरे थोड़ी जोड़ हो गई। वो पुलिस वाले के कोई मुखबिर है, मिलने वाले हैं, उनके अजीत मित्र हैं, और उसने बोला और धक्का-मुक्की उसने मेरे साथ में दी, और वो पुलिस वालों को दलपत सिंह और फूल सिंह उनको फोन कर दिया। वो चौकी से आ गए और फिर बाद में आते ही मेरे साथ में बेरहमी से मारपीट करने लगे और रस्सी से बांध के और गाय चराने वाले लठ से बेरहमी से मेन बस स्टैंड के ऊपर सैकड़ों आदमी वहां पे खड़े थे, मगर किसी की हिम्मत नहीं कि छुड़ा सके, और मैं घायल हो गया। बेरहमी से 20 और 25 मिनट तक मेरे साथ में मारपीट की।
But it's not just the protectors in khaki who are drunk on power. Our ministers probably outdo them. Be it the state assembly or a temple, they continue to live in their own world. And that's exactly what happened when a former chief minister of Madhya Pradesh and currently a minister in the Shivraj Singh Chauhan cabinet decided to check on preparations for Chhath. Babulal Gaur was stopped by the priest from entering the temple, and then all hell broke loose. Gaur did not bother about the sanctity of the temple or the priest, forget the fact that she was a lady, and this is what followed.
यही मंदिर में सेवा करते हैं, पुजारी हैं।
बात करने का तरीका होता है।
नहीं, हम तो अच्छे से बोलते हैं।
बंद करो
ये बात की जाती है।
ये बंद करो अभी।
हमारे ससुर की व्यवस्था है।
अरे तुम्हारी बात की व्यवस्था हो।
कमरे में देखे हमारे ससुर।
चुप रहो बस।
चलो बात मत करो।
अभी आज तुम्हारा दिमाग ठीक कर दिया जाएगा।
Minister behaving in a completely boorish fashion. Gaur has not been hauled up yet by the Chief Minister, and that raises some uncomfortable questions about Chauhan's tall claims about women's empowerment and law being priority in his state. Devankur Vadhavan joins us for more on what happened in Jodhpur. Has any action been taken against the policeman who beat up Aslam Dev?
Well, Padmaja, not on the last count. In fact, I've been tracking the case. This guy was beaten up mercilessly in full public view by these policemen. And in fact, after that, when Aslam went ahead and tried to get a complaint registered against these very policemen, allegedly he's someone who was implicated in false cases. That is what Aslam has been claiming. But any which way, whether those cases are true or not, these policemen are certainly trying to be law unto themselves in the Pali district. No action has been taken against them.
Okay.
And clearly there is proof for public viewing. It's clear that these policemen were indulging in something, in mercilessly beating these people, and clearly they were taking law in their own hands. No action whatsoever has been taken against them so far. Padmaja?
Well, that's a question we'd like to ask both Ashok Gehlot for what happened in Jodhpur and Shivraj Singh Chauhan for what happened in his state. Are both of them going to act against the people responsible for abuse of power? Devankur, for now, thank you very much for joining us.